Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use Do Not Disturb mode on Android. So let's get started. So if you want to learn how to use Do Not Disturb mode on your Android device, then what you can do is just follow my steps. So from the top of your screen you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down now you will find the option which is DND or Do Not Disturb mode. So you just have to search for that by swiping on the right side, and you might find that option. Just tap on it, and after tapping and holding on that you will come up to your do not disturb mode settings. So if you can't find do not disturb mode over here, then what you have to do is just simply open up your settings application. After opening up your settings application, now in search bar search for DND. After searching for DND you should find this option which is do not disturb. Just tap on it and then you can access the do not disturb mode. And now to use it, what you have to do is just tap on turn on now, and by tapping on turn on now you will turn on your do not disturb mode. So if you want to learn how to use do not disturb mode, then what you can do is just follow these steps. So the first option is people, and by tapping on people you will find this option. So just tap on conversations, and now if you want to allow conversations to interrupt whenever you are playing something, so if you are playing a game or if you are doing something in your device, if you turn on do not disturb mode, what will happen is you will not be interrupted. So now if you want to allow conversations to interrupt you while doing those tasks, what you can do is just simply tap on allow conversations, and now you will allow access for conversations to interrupt you. So if you don't want to do that, just simply tap on no and then tap on calls, and this is also same for the calls. So if you want to allow some specific contacts, like if you go ahead and start that contacts, and after starting that contacts, that will be saved in your start contacts, and after saving your start contacts, now what will happen is only calls from those start contacts will be accessible, or they will only be able to interrupt you. So if you want to allow every single person from the contacts, then you can select it, but the person from your contacts can interrupt you by turning on this mode, and by turning on everyone, what will happen is anyone can interrupt you. By turning on none, no one can interrupt you. So these were the options. It is also same for your messages. So just change it the way you like, and this is apps. So now you just have to tap on apps, and now you can add apps that can interrupt you while using do not disturb mode. So just tap on add apps. Now what you can do is just select one of the app. So for example, what I'll do is I'll just select Messenger. After selecting Messenger, now if you want to just allow some specific messages from messengers to interrupt you, then what you can do is simply turn it on. So by turning on calls, what will happen is only calls will be allowed from Messenger to interrupt you. So just turn it on if you want, and after turning it on, now you have added this app that can interrupt you while using do not disturb mode. So these were the apps, and these were alarms and other interruptions. Now you can just check these options. You can schedule your interruption. Just tap on add more and then tap on time, and now you can schedule it the way you like. And here you will find this advanced option. So by tapping on advanced you will find bunch of options like display options for hidden notifications. So what this does is you will not completely disable your notifications while turning on do not disturb mode. What will happen is you will find a hidden visible icon which can be accessible, and from that you can access your notifications. So you will not be interrupted by the sound of the notifications, but they will be saved and you can check them later by turning on that option. So just simply check all those options and then customize it, and then you can use DND the way you like. So that's it guys, this is how to use do not disturb mode on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.